Evening and welcome back to another Toolbox video, and this time we're doing another Halfords modular tray set. So this is the 13th modular tray set I've bought. It's the 8-piece with the hammer, chisels, punches and feeler gauges, so I just post with a thumbnail. Time to get this unboxed. And I've just finished making the D-wall impact video. I thought I'd do 2 videos in one go. So I've still got the folding knife. I'll just get this unwrapped. And you know how I roll with these modular tray sets, so I don't need to say anything. Just get it unpacked. As ever, please dispose of your packaging responsibly and recycle where possible. Right, I'm going to have to nick the tape on this one. Pull the rest of the tape off. And once we've got this tape off, I'll show you what comes in this particular tray set, modular tray set. So the 2 big things that are most obvious, we've got the hammer, ball peen hammer, and does feel a good quality there. And then we have the that says that little mallet. There's like a copper. It's not a copper mallet. Yeah. With these, you can actually replace the ends. It's like a plastic mallet. Yeah. And as it says, the handle, genuine hickory, which is the wood of choice. And we have a set of feeler gauges and various sizes. I think it's both imperial and metric. Yeah, because it has a imperial and metric sizes on them. So you got 30 from 32 thousandths or 0.8 mil. That's a 1 mil there, right up to 8 thou or 0.02 mil. Can fit oil on that, and also a nice set of various punches and chisels, and these should complement the rest of my tools quite nicely. So without any further ado, we'll get this in the drawer. So I've got a home for it in the drawers, and it's going to be going here. I've had to move these spanners over to the left, and I'll just get this and slot it in there like so. This is like the D-wall impact driver video, the previous toolbox video. I'm filming this on my GoPro Hero 7 Black. I only got it for the image stabilisation, and I'm hoping to do live streams with it as well. And that's what I got it for. So yeah, that's another modular tray set. So like I said, I'm up to 14, so we've got we got the pliers set. There's the hammer, feeler gauges and punch set. And in the next drawer, got the tin snips, the adjustable spanners, the screwdriver and Allen key set. Now, I don't think I mentioned this when I reviewed this one. These Allen keys, these Torx ones, they've got the security ones, so you can use them with the security bits either. It's a handy little feature to have. So, moving on, which will be, I need to open that. Then we can open these drawers. So, in here, I've got all my spanners. Got the ratchet spanners, the combination spanners and the offset spanners. I'm not so sure if I'm going to get the flexi ones, because that's 70 quid for a set. Anyway, moving on. We have the extension bars and the bit set. Now I'll just show you one of these Torx bit set. See, that's got the security one as well, so you can use them on the security ones, the tamper-proof ones. And then at the top, last but not least, we've got our various socket sets: 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch. And all these, they're all 6-sided sockets, as you can see in the, the deep ones as well. So that brings you up to 14. Don't think I need any of the other ones, because there's the imperial socket sets and the imperial spanner sets, the impact sockets, which I don't think I really need, because I've got an impact socket set here, and this has both imperial and metric. I think I paid 20 quid on Amazon for this. But this is me impact socket set, which has proved quite useful. I bought it when I bought myself a compressor, which is another story. I killed this compressor off when I did the springs on my Citroen, but we'll talk about that another time. There's my DeWalt battery on charge, and yes, it does make a noise. You can hear fans going, which means it's working. So, yeah, what was the other one? I said the impact, yeah. The metric, not the metric, the imperial sockets and spanners, and I cannot remember what the other modular tray set is. It has gone. I'll probably add it in on the video, add a caption, or I could just jump onto Halfords. I've got internet in the garage here. So if we jump online, and then we go to Halfords, and search for modular tray set. Yeah, that's not it. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, flex it. It's the I just remembered now without even finding it. So the only ones I've got left to get are the flexihead ratchet spanners, the impact socket set, the imperial spanner set, and the imperial socket set. And I'll have the full house. Anyway, I've been rambling enough, so I'll end this video. So that's it for this particular toolbox video. I don't know if I'm going to buy any more. I don't buy them for the sake of it, but I've got room in this. Is it the 4th drawer down? I've got room for 3 more. And some stuff here. More stuff here. These are. I might even buy the bottom chest that these tool chests go on, because that compressor's dying and it needs to go. I could probably fit it there and have a tool chest here, which would be a bit more handy. Anyway, I have to think on that one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, comment, ring that notification bell, and as ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.